Looking for the right vehicle? Today could be your lucky day. This vehicle is equipped with great options and it could be yours. Contact the dealer today, request more information, and set up a test drive right away. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, active grille shutters, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, front wheel independent suspension. Inside you'll find Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer, passenger vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, overhead console, panic alarm. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.